We've been there. You've got a million crystals in your collection, but you don't know how to use them, work with them, or choose the right ones for the season or however you're feeling. The crystal year is here to show you how to harness the properties of all the crystals in your collection by aligning them with key dates and seasons. It also features symbols and superstitions and supports you each month through self-care, rituals, meditations and affirmations. So look no further, empower yourself with the book The Crystal Year and ensure that each and every month you save money by working with the existing crystals in your collection. Not only that, you'll be taught how to care for your crystals, display them, build an altar, or use them to work with the moon. This book belongs in your collection. It will help you work with your crystals to ensure they vibrate perfectly for you, today, every day, every month and every year into the future. Welcome your copy online or in all good bookshops worldwide.